Good evening, ma'am. I'm Jane Diana Pearl Sayago Portria. So now I'm going to report about of gravitational rhythms of the sea, tidal influence of marine life. Tides caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and sun are essential drivers of marine ecosystems. These rhythmic changes in the sea levels influence the behavior, reproduction, and survival of countless marine species. Intertidal organisms such as crabs, mollusks, and seaweed have adapted to the periodic exposure and submersion caused by tides. These species time their feeding and reproductive activities around tidal cycles. Fish and marine mammals also rely on tidal currents for migration and hunting, taking advantage of the increased movement of prey during high tides. Tides play a crucial role in nutrient cycling, as they steer the ocean and bring nutrients to surface waters, fueling plankton growth. This in turn supports higher levels of the food web. Tidal rhythms also govern the spawning of species like bronion and horseshoe crabs, whose like cycles are synchronized with the lunar tidal calendar. Human activities such as coastal development and damming can disrupt natural tidal patterns, affecting marine habitats and the species that depend on them. Protecting tidal environments ensure the continuity of these natural rhythms and the biodiversity they sustain. Thank you, ma'am.